In this video, I want to show you how to create layer package in ArcGIS Pro. The layer package in GIS is a file that bundles a layer properties like symbology, label, field properties, and the actual data it references into a single shareable unit. This allows users to easily share and distribute layers without needing to separately sending the layer file and the data or manually configure the layer settings. With a layer package, you can save and share everything about the layer, its symbology, labeling, field properties, and associated data. So you can include multiple layers in a layer package. So layer package enhances collaboration by allowing easy sharing and integration of complex datasets among users. So in this video, I want to show you how to create a layer package. For example, in this table of contents, you can see that I have two layers. You can see elevation reclassify and the digital elevation model. If we want to create a layer package from here, it's quite simple. So to do that, for example, let's say you want to create a layer package for this very layer. So you come to that very layer and right click, then come to this option called sharing, then come to share as layer package. When you click on it, it will open a table here where you can see sharing as a layer package. And under this first option, which is package, you can see the first options here. You can actually upload the package to online account. However, we are going with the second option, which is to save package to file. So after selecting save package to file, come to item details. We have to give it a name and specify our output location. Click on this icon to browse and navigate to your folder. So let's save it here. We can come here and right click to create a new folder. So let's just call it package. So open the folder created and give the layer package a name. So let's call it layer package. Now you can see the file format is already at layer package. So click on save. So after that, you have to give the summary of the layer package. So let's call it elevation package, for example. Then after that, we are going to give it tags. These tags are keywords or terms that describe the package. So for example, let's say elevation. Then you put comma to separate it. Then let's say package. After you input your tags, then scroll down and click on package. By clicking on package, the layer selected will be packaged as a layer package. So click on package. So this will take some time to package it. You can see packaging in progress. You can see successfully created layer package. The layer package has been created successfully. Now if you go to the folder where we have it, here is it. You can see the layer package here. So the layer package has been created, and from here you can share it with friends, colleagues, and other people you want to share it with, and they will equally access the layer properties of the layer you have packaged. Now, in addition to this, if we go back to ArcGIS Pro, you can see an options here. Let me close this notification. You can see an option here that says package schema only. So in addition, a layer can be saved as a schema only package. This type of package allows you to share a layer design and corresponding data model design without sharing the data. When you unpack a schema only layer package, The data model for the layer is loaded into the project's default geodatabase. So you can then load your own dataset for the layers in that geodatabase. But in essence, I have been able to show you how to create a layer package in ArcGIS Pro. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.